Hello, family. I saw I saw one of my subscribers making uh, s- pizza that we had in school, and I thought I got to do that. My mother worked in the kitchen at the schools for years, and I remember that pizza. I found a recipe. I didn't not hers, but I found a different recipe. So that's what we're going to have. It's called Copycat Lunch Lady Pizza. So we're going to make that. Okay, I took a pan, I greased the bottom, and I put like a cookie sheet, and I put parchment paper. Oven is on preheating to 475. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to add to this bowl, we're going to add 2 2/3 cup of flour. We're going to add 3/4 cup of powdered milk. Two tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to give this a good mix. And you'll want your ingredients to be room temperature. Because I keep my powdered milk in the freezer. So I had to take it out and let it warm up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 2/3 cup of warm water. Now I'm going to microwave this water for about 1 minute. Okay, now to this water, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add this to the flour mixture. Remember how good that pizza was? Yes. Okay, now we're just going to mix it. Stir it with a spatula till you get a dough formed. This is very similar to what she did. I will link her video in the description. She makes wonderful videos. Sorry about that. And if there's a few lumps in it, it's okay. It's okay. Don't panic. Now we're going to spread this onto the pan. Oh, we forgot one thing. We forgot the most important thing. We forgot the yeast. Gotta do that. And that was supposed to be added with the dry ingredients. I'll link it in the thing. But this is gonna be all right. This will be all right. We're gonna just mix it together anyway. It'll still work. You make do with what you got, right? Okay, it mixed in there really good. Okay, now we can put it back on the pan. Now we just spread it. Yeah, this was like what she did. Yeah, my mom used to work at this school. Started out as a janitor when I was in elementary school. Most of the time, my grandma babysat me, but sometimes I would go with my mom, and it was fun. I had the whole school to run around in. It's fun. Okay, now what we do, I'll let that sit a few minutes while we start the meat. And usually it's, like Italian sausage. But all I had was hamburger. So what I'm going to do is I have sweet Italian sausage seasoning. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of that to the beef, the hamburger. So it'll still taste like Italian sausage. But we're going to let this cook. This smells good. Okay, this is cooked. Now we're going to take it out and set it aside while we bake the crust. I actually have a day off, which is nice. I took a day off. It's been quite a week between the weather and roller coaster weather here, I'll tell you. 46 degrees on Tuesday. Last night it was 10 below. And very windy and winter weather advisory. Minnesota is like living on a roller coaster. The weather is crazy. But I still think it helps preserve us Minnesotans. All right, now we're going to put the crust in for 6 to 8 minutes on 475. Okay, it was in there probably 8 minutes. So now we're just going to add we're going to add pizza sauce. I'm going to, we're just going to spread it around a bit here. Get it to the edges. You must be hungry, huh, baby girl? You usually don't beg for pizza. Now my doggy's hungry. She seems to be more hungrier when it's cold outside. And now we're going to add the homemade beef sausage, I guess. Italian sausage. Well, a piece fell on the floor. I guess she's gonna get it whether she wants it or not. Yep, you get a piece of beef. Now we're gonna top it with some mozzarella cheese. I always buy the block and then I grate it up and put it in the freezer. It just makes it easier. And it's better. The already grated stuff, that's not as good. It doesn't melt as good. I have this on my grocery list. This is it for the mozzarella cheese I got. All right. All right, now we're going to put it in the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yummy. We're going to let it cool. And then we're going to eat some. Cuts good. I feel like I'm in school again. I didn't mind school. School was fun to me. Before it was Yeah, before I went into the foster home, it was like I liked being at school. I didn't have to be at home. Okay. We're gonna parchment paper is a great idea. Here we go. Just like in school. See how good it is. Mmm. The crust probably could have been baked a little more the first time, but it tastes good. Mm-hmm. Yummy. And I told you my mom worked at the schools when I was in elementary school. She brought home, I have 4 of these school trays from elementary school, like 4th, 5th grade. They're they've lasted for years. Never broke. Pretty cool. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.